Okay, hi folks, I'm not going to show you the concrete, I'm going to show you this. It's where Jane's been really busy. These oak trees that we purchased, well Jane purchased. So how many you got here? 50. 50 here. So, just bear with me. And they're alive and they're doing really well. And we've got how many here, Jane? 600. 600 here. So we're chuffed with that. And now what we're doing, I'll just take you through. Come on, Chuck Chucks, after you. Go on.
Ladies first.
Where's Thunderbird 4? Here we go. And 200 here. These are left up.
Those, I'm keeping those for somebody.
Yeah, those have been sold. And these we've got 200, so we're going to make.
I've been sorting the big ones out.
Have you? So we're sorting out these pallets and we're going to make platters. Planters?
Planters.
Planters. So here's one we started. Sorry, I was going to film it, we forgot all about it. So we've done this one. So all we've done is took the legs off, as you can see. Got the sides.
That's the floor.
And there's the floor. And we're going to start putting it together now. And I'll show you when we start getting it together. Okay, so
The sides.
here we go. So we'll start putting the sides on. Jane will do a bit of filming and I'll start putting the screws in. So these nails are made from stainless steel carbon. Huh? So these are
Stainless steel.
Carbon steel. No, they're not. I was going to say I'm an immensely strong man, and watch what happens. See how powerful. They're rotten old nails. Before you say anything, we'll pick them up. We'll find them. Where's that other one, boy, Jane?
I'll find it.
Wait up. As soon as we've done them, put them in the bar. Don't want anybody treading on them. It's not speeded up, that's me.
It was speeded up.
Was it?
It wasn't.
Here we go.
You have to.
What is it?
17 and a half.
22 and a half.
17 and a half.
Okay, 17 and a half inches, okay. Let's cut a few and get them.
16 inches would do, really.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I'm in there.
Ready? I need the glasses.
Use them ones, Dad. You're going to use any screws, use yourself once.
Those?
Yeah.
These?
Yeah.
That's what I'm using.
Yeah, just use them. One, they're waterproof, and two,
Whack it across the bottom. No, push it across at the bottom, make sure it's across. That's it. Up. Raised a bit.
look at that thing for us, Dad. You take my bag. Take your things.
I want in the middle.
Got a couple more, Jane, I think. Yeah.
That'll be all right. It's only going to last 6 months.
This one? I thought if we put it,
Same as the others.
you don't want it on the bottom as well then?
Nope.
Okay, just on there like that.
Fine.
Fine. Andrew. Hold on. Whoa. Wait a minute. Okay.
That's one.
Well,
What did you do? Right, let's start again.
Oh, that works all right on there, didn't it?
It's not so wide.
That works for trees. Oh, Mark, I did a good design, didn't I?
You said he cut it wrong.
I didn't realise the pallet was...
You got any pallets your house, Andrew?
No.
I had one with the trees and one with the tubes and stakes.
It rains plenty, doesn't it?
Do the sides first.
How they get down?
All right.
Then we're building another one.
Alright, 2 minutes.
Okay, that'll keep you busy. Thank you very much.
We're nearly there, so we're going to move it. No, we're not going to move it because I haven't screwed it to the base yet. We're going to go around and screw it to the base. They're great little screwdrivers, them, aren't they? Impact screwdrivers.
Guiders. Yep, that was still
Okay, on this side as well.
fits nicely.
It does, doesn't it? It's good, looks good. And that's it. We're nearly. One pallet. What do they call them? Pallet
Planter.
planter. There we go.
Pallet planter.
Nice. So you're gonna do cut the bag and put it in.
Might do. See how long it is. To protect the bottom a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect size, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just about. Oh, not the edges though.
There we go. Finished article. Quite nice actually. We put some little bits in between because I didn't want the soil to come through. But done a good job, Janie, ain't you?
You started.
Well, I started, but teamwork.
I finished.
Just got to get some soil.
You don't damage the membrane.
Yeah.
That just doesn't matter too much.
No. Yeah, you can put the extra in the bottom anyway. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the vid, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and notification bell that side. Any up and coming videos that side. Yeah, didn't take long at all. Still another one to do, but we're going to call that quits for now. There you go. So, what do they call it? Pallet. Was it? Pallet planter. Oh, I can't remember that.